Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my 3 to 4 days meal preparation. In this video, I'll share the steps that I take when it comes to pre-planning and pre-preparing my meals and things like that to set myself up for success. Step number 1 is to write everything down that you feel like eating in the coming days. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. So I just write down the few options for breakfast, lunch and dinner and snacks. Once I know what I'll be cooking, I then look through my pantry and my fridge and see what all I have, and whatever I don't have, I go ahead and do my shopping. Step number 2 is cooking, of course. So here, as you can see me, I have started off with things that will take a little longer to cook. So here I am boiling some of my lentils, dal, as well as I'm preparing my rice as well. I cook my rice in the microwave. So here I have just soaked in my rice for about 15 minutes, and after 15 to 20 minutes I will just put it in the microwave for about 10 to 12 minutes and my rice will be ready. And then comes time for chopping. This is the most tedious part and the part that takes the most amount of time. So maybe watch something that you like on TV and get chopping. I actually forgot to marinate my chicken, so I am just going to do it right now. But just before I do that, just wanted to show you, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys watch me having this chicken sandwich, and these are the patties that I normally eat. I just buy them from the store, and they're very convenient and easy to use, and they're loaded with protein. So that's what I normally choose. But I also wanted to show you guys how you can use a chicken breast and prepare a quick patty for yourself. And of course, I've chopped some pieces as well for either snacking or just for adding some extra protein on one of my plates. Now this is the part where I go ahead and add all the spices of my liking to marinate the chicken breast. However, at this stage, you guys can go ahead, choose the kind of spices you like, choose the kind of marination you like. If you like to add curd in or whatnot, just go ahead and get creative and prepare something of your own liking. Okay, you don't have to follow what exactly I'm showing you here. Just do what you like and prepare what you like. All that we want to focus on in this video is how you can pre-plan and pre-prepare things for yourself so that you can make your week a little easier on yourself. And once all the chopping is done, that is when we start with our actual cooking. I won't be showing the full recipes, as I've shared my recipes a lot of times in my previous videos, so you guys can go watch there. Now this time around I was running really tight in time, which is why I'm using canned beans. However, most of the times I use actual beans where I soak them overnight and then of course boil them the next day. So basically, on one side I am preparing some black beans mix, on one side I'm preparing a mixed bean mix, and on one side I'm making my dal. Black beans will be used for my tacos or my burritos filling. The mixed beans will be used as snacking, and dal is going to be my option for either lunch or dinner with roti or rice. Whilst everything was cooking, I went ahead and prepared my atta for the week and made sure to put my bowl of rice in the microwave to get started on that. And once that was done, I went ahead and chopped all the fruits and veggies that I normally use to prepare juices for myself and my family. Also guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do so, because there I'll be sharing what kind of condiments, what kind of salads I use to assemble all these things together so that you can kind of get options for yourself as well. Now to give you guys a breakdown, for breakfast most of the days I have oatmeal, which is why I keep this instant rolled oats with me, which literally just take 3 minutes to cook and prepare in the morning. Other option is of course to have some parathas in the morning, so that's why my dough is already ready. Or else I go with scrambled eggs on toast, which is why my bread is ready and I've chopped some extra onion to prepare my scrambled eggs. For lunch and dinner options, of course, I've got my dough ready, I've got my rice ready, I've got my dal ready, I've got my black beans ready. For snacking, I have got my mixed beans ready. Now for wraps and tacos, I use these whole grain options, but of course if you don't have these, you can by all means make some extra rotis and use those instead. And lastly, I've packed my marinated chicken separately. This is another chicken that I normally use for my non-vegetarian burritos. For snacks, of course, I have some eggs that I can boil instantly. I have my sweet potato. I use microwave to boil my sweet potato. And of course, I have my toasted muesli. You can also check out my recipe for toasted muesli. I normally make my own muesli as well, but not this time. Alright you guys, hope you enjoyed this meal preparation of mine, and if you're somebody who's really busy, has long hours of work, then preparing in advance and pre-planning things and pre-preparing things is definitely going to take you a long way. On that note, take care. Bye guys.